going on, guys? Today we're going to be making another video, and as you guys can see, I never posted in about like 4 weeks, like 4 or 5 weeks. It's been like a long time, and my excuse is Thanksgiving. But anyways, I think for the video, I think we should make another fishing lure. And the fishing lure we're gonna make is, I never made one of these before, but it looks cool. This is a glide bait. And if you guys are wondering where did you get this stencil from, Baker Builds. You can print them off. He has a website and a YouTube channel, Baker Builds. Make sure you guys go check him out. Video. But let's get to it. Let's get our piece of wood. Okay guys, I picked out my piece of wood. This is selected pine, I think. And first let's tape this to here, and then we'll go to the bandsaw. Then cut it out. I'm back. Here. Oh, that is such a neat shape. Look at that shape. This is gonna be a cool glide bait, but I need to go on the sander and do something else quick. Okay, here's our lure so far. But now before we start to carve this out, I'm gonna first put the, where's that? Doing that, first I'm gonna poke the holes. So if you guys can see, the big holes right here are for the weight. The small ones are for the screw and eyes. But first let's do the big ones for the weight. So one's supposed to be right here. That's all right though. Alright, there we go. So we have some of the holes drilled right here, but I'm going to put the lead in it, and all I do is put sinkers in it, so I'm going to skip that. So I'm going to do that quickly, and I'll get back to you guys, and we'll do the joints and all that. Well, first let me say this. I did put the weight in, so now this thing is weighted, but I might need to add a little bit more weight, but it's pretty good right now. Like, it sits up by itself, so it's weighted enough. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our utility knife. This is a nice one right here. It has like the grip in there. But I'm getting carried away. But what I was gonna say, we're gonna carve this thing out. This is like the most realistic glide bait you can make. Making some progress. All right, so here's the top so far. Look at that. So we carved it all. Yeah, this thing's pretty heavy, but we carved this all out. So now we're gonna put it right there. We're gonna put it in the vise, and we'll get to sanding. And I'll be using, first of all, this is pretty 60 grit sandpaper right there. So this stuff's pretty tough. I usually start with the strongest stuff first. Actually the end of today's video, but as you can see, here's our lure. We have the weights in it. These are all ready to get painted up in that, but you guys will have to see part 2, which is coming up pretty soon, and we'll be painting this lure and putting it back together. But we made the body and the lead in that. But I hope you guys liked today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.